This is a histogram. Basically, it's a graphic display of the distribution of pixel values. It identifies all the exposure on a plate. So, right here, this is our volume of interest. And it shows all the pixel values on the x-axis. This is another histogram. Once again, this is our volume of interest. It shows our pixel value on the x-axis. On the y-axis, it displays the number of frequency of pixels for each exposure. The location on the graph of the x-axis also represents brightness levels of the pixels within the image. The shape of the graph represents the image contrast, also known as grayscales, because the frequency of each pixel value. On histograms, patterns vary for each body part. Every body part will have its own histogram. Also, each image also has its own histogram. So, oblique, lateral, AP, all of them. Shape is dependent on radiographic study, positioning, and technique. Basically, the shape of the histogram is dependent on all three of these factors. Our value of interest mainly shows the anatomy of interest. So this is all we really want to point out. This right here is our color-minded white area, not really needed. And this is our black area, also not needed. All we have to focus on in the histogram is between these levels. Also, histograms are a series of peaks and valleys.